So let's say that you started a project and things are going great. You're in the middle of the project. The good luck gods have smiled on you so far. Everything's going awesome. And you're actually saying to yourself, this is easier than I thought it was gonna be. Right then, in that moment, something happens and all of your hard work comes to a grinding halt. DIY projects always seem to have a way of grounding you back into reality just when you're starting to feel good. That is part of the fun of DIY projects, though, is that inevitably something's going to go wrong, and that's when you get to be creative and come up with solutions so you can keep moving your project forward. Let's say that this particular roadblock, you encounter a stripped screw that's just stuck and will not budge. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to remove that screw using a Dremel tool. What I'm about to show you is for screws that have a beveled top on them. The heads on these screws are raised from the surface. I wouldn't attempt this on any countersink screws that are designed to lie flush with a surface. Here is a complete list of tools that I used to complete this project. I'll leave a link to the specific bit that I used in the description down below. All right, let's get started. Basically, you're just gonna grab your Dremel tool and you're gonna grind a straight line into the top of that screw. Work slowly. Don't push so hard that the bit gouges into the surface. You want to keep the depth of the bit contained to just the head of the screw. Make sure that you're protecting yourself. Put on some safety goggles and some earplugs while you're working with this Dremel tool. While you're working, I encourage you to pause every once in a while. Grab a flathead screwdriver and just test it out and see if you can remove that screw. If it's not working yet, one of the reasons might be that the flathead screwdriver just isn't getting properly seated into that screw head yet. So grab your Dremel tool and dig a little deeper. Make sure that that Dremel tool is properly lined up with the gouge that you had already made. You do not want to widen this horizontal cut. You just want to make it deeper. And then grab your flathead screwdriver again and try to remove that screw. Go slow and repeat this process as many times as you need in order to accomplish your goal. I wish you luck with all of your DIY projects. And remember that if you ever get stuck, there's always a way to get out of it and move forward with your project. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel.